decorations for your mama. Happy birthday to my mama. She's so cool, she ain't no fool. She don't act like a big old tool. She's my daddy's best friend, yeah. She loves Jesus all her heart. She's my friend, she's my mama. She's my little Gloria Dio. Happy birthday, mama. Happy birthday, mama. Happy birthday, Mammy Joe Hammy. Happy birthday to you. Say happy birthday, Blue. Hey, Blue. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Come on, say happy birthday. You little pineapple. Well, glory. We arrive tomorrow morning at 10:41. We've got 81 nautical miles to go. We're doing about 4 or 5 miles an hour. We're doing all good in the hood. Yeah, boy. And wait, just for Dad. Just for old Poppy, too. And everything. What is that? Oh, life is good and everything. With a little T-bone biscuits there. In the wide open ocean, loving the Lord and saying hallelujah to my Jesus. Happy birthday to you. We're going up on it like it's your birthday, and we don't even care because we know it's your birthday. You find me in the club, party with my mama and my daddy, yeah. Now shut it and have a good birthday.